Welcome students to Bite Size Learning. Today we are going to do a fun math. It's very easy. So hope you have recognized by my fine painting that this animal is a cow. Those who didn't understand, this is a cow. Okay, and now we are going to learn a math about a cow. So let's say I have bought a cow for 800 rupees. Okay, and I sold it for 1000 rupees. Then I again bought it for 1100 rupees, 1100, and then sold it for 1300 rupees, right? So what is my total profit? You can pause the video and then solve it and come back. Okay. Now the easiest way the kids do is, what is the initial amount you had is 800, and what is the final amount that you had is 1300. So the profit is 1300 minus 1100 is 500. This is wrong because you are not taking into consideration that when you are buying here, you are putting in another 100 rupees. So what is the correct method? So to solve these kind of math, what you need to do is to find out what is the total cost price of the cow. I bought the cow 2 times. So the cost price is 800 plus 1100. Total 1900. And the selling price, so total selling price is 1000 and 1300. Total 2300. The profit is selling price minus cost price, that is 2300 minus 1900, 400. So you have the net 400 rupees profit. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.